Julia is the modern high-level programming language designed for scientific computing, artificial intelligence, numerical analysis, data science, and high-performance computing. Let me explain why Julia was created. Julia was developed to solve common problems. Scientists wanted the simplicity of Python with the speed of C or C++. The traditional situation, Python easy but slower, C or C++ fast but complex. Julia attempts to provide easy syntax and very high performance. Why Julia was artificial intelligence and data analytics. Julia, Julia is particularly suitable for machine learning and data analytics due to its speed, ease of use, and robust ecosystem. It offers built-in support for linear algebra, data manipulation, and visualization, which are the essential for data science workload. Julia's libraries such as data frames, JL for data manipulation, and flux.jl for neural networks provides functionality comparable to Python's pandas and PyTorch. Additionally, Julia's ability to integrate with Jupyter notebooks allows data scientists to perform exploratory data analysis and machine learning in an interactive environment similar to Python. Data manipulation through the data frames .jl library allows users to create, manipulate, and analyze data sets. It supports operations like filtering, sorting, grouping, and summarizing data. Visualization. The plots.jl library enables the creation of various types of charts, line plots, scatter plots, and bar chart for data visualization. Machine learning. Libraries like MLJ.jl and scikit-learn.jl offers interfaces for machine learning models while flux.jl supports deep learning tasks. Friends, I am giving some key features of Julia. It has got very fast execution. Julia uses just-in-time compilation through LLVM technology. In many numerical tasks, Julia performs close to CRCC plus speed. Second feature of Julia, simple and readable syntax. Example, for calculating square of any number, there is a function square x return x square and println square of 5. This prints square of 5. The syntax is clean and mathematical. Applications of Julia. Julia is used in AL and machine learning for deep learning research, data science for statistical analysis, in physics, simulations, in finance, quan- quantitative, quantitative modeling, engineering, numerical computation, astronomy, scientific anal- analytics, analyst. Friends, I am comparing Julia with Python. So Python easier ecosystem, Julia faster scientific performance. Uh, Huge AI library in case of Python, better numerical speed in case of Julia, mature community in case of Python, growing community in case of Julia. Python is general purpose. Julia is scientific specialization. Python still dominates AI industry application, but Julia is growing in research and scientific computing. Friends, this graph indicates the speed obtained by Julia in comparison to Python or C double plus and Julia in that order. Julia has got highest speed. I am explaining so why did not Julia dominate, could not dominate, even with all its strength. Julia faced hurdles. First was latency. By the time Julia matured, Python had already captured most of AI and data science market. Second, a smaller ecosystem compared to Python's TensorFlow, PyTorch, and scikit-learn ecosystems. Julia's library are still growing. Third, community size. Fewer contributor means slower library and tool development. Fourth, learning curve. For teams already trained in Python, switching costs were too high. Next, enterprise hesitation. Big companies tend to prefer better tested tech. Julia is still seen as experimental by some companies. Despite the hurdle, some top institutions have embraced Julia. Example are MIT's, that is the premier most institution of the world in America. Climate Modeling Alliance uses Julia to simulate complex climate models at unprecedented precedented speeds. NASA, the space application, has experimented with Julia for satellite trajectory optimization because Julia allows both research level flexibility and production level performance in the same database. Uh, Friends, thanks for constantly and meaningfully watching this presentation. Thanks once again from Guru V.K. Jain, who has written 130 plus books covering almost every aspect of computer science and information technology. Thanks once again.